You would be surprised when I show you what you can achieve only using one light, whether it's a YouTube talking head setup, a B-roll setup, or additional fill light, or even cinematic setup just like this one's. And to show you all of that, I'm using all new Cinepeer CF100 from Zhiyun. And before I talk about this light, I just want to say that they did send me this light for a review, but I've used their other products in the past, such as this Smooth 5S AI phone gimbal, and I absolutely love what it offers with AI tracking and all the other features. So I would like to give away one Smooth 5S AI phone gimbal to one of you, so stick to the end of this video and I will share more details on how to enter. So I recently got more into this cinematic look and feel for my videos, and while I educate myself from some of the best YouTubers who does a great job at doing that, I think I finally understand one thing that you should invest more than other is good main source of light for your videos. And to keep things simple while you learn how to light scenes, I think you should focus on only one key light to begin with, and you'll be surprised how much good source of light can do without complicating and confusing yourself with multiple set of lights. So let's start talking about the light itself first. Cinepeer CF100 is a 100-watt light with full RGB control, and its wand-like design makes it easy to carry around with you and keeps your setup really portable. And it comes with few additional accessories such as this reflective doors to increase the light source and this diffusion that you can put it on to soften the source of your light. Now to power up the light, all you have to do is press and hold this button and slightly rotate the wheel, which keeps your light from not turning on by accident. Once your light is on, you have 4 main controls such as max power, full RGB control, dimming, and lots of other effects to choose from for all the creative looks. Few things that I like the most and makes this a great travel light is this USB charging capabilities, and you can also place your lights on tripod at any angle using this quarter thread on the bottom. Now let me show you how I use this light. So the first is the main talking head setup. This light could be a great starting point for your talking head setups like this, whether you don't have enough space to record yourself and you don't want to bring big softbox with your heavy light. And now to make the source more softer, I use this cheap reflector that I got from Amazon, and once you place that in front of the light, it creates this bigger lighter source resulting into much softer light. Now the second setup is the secondary light for your B-roll shots. This light can also be used as a great B-roll light which can add more depth in your scenes, and as you can see here, I'm using this light to light up my top-down product showcase shot, which adds more interest into the scene with different colors added along with the main other key light. Now the third setup is a fill light. Now once you start your journey to learn how to light different scenes, next thing you will need is a good source of fill light in the scene, where sometimes if you're shooting in a darker environment, then you will lose a lot of details in the background, or if you're trying to create a specific mood, you want a color source in the back to add more interest, which I think this light does a great job at doing that. Now the fourth and my favorite setup is a cinematic setup. When you want to create a cinematic scene, sometimes space doesn't allow you to what you want to do, and this is where the portability of this light comes in. And as you can see, I can place this source of light in a small places where I can create cinematic scenes just like this one, or you can do something like this, or you could create more contrasty scenes like this one. Now speaking of our giveaway, if you don't know anything about this phone gimbal, then definitely go ahead and check out my video on that, and if it interests you to get one for yourself, then DM me on my Instagram at techz_, a 5-digit code that was hidden somewhere in this whole video, and whoever gets it right first wins the giveaway. Yeah, it's just that simple. And I'll also add more details about this giveaway in the description, so definitely check it out. And I will also add all the links of the products that I've used in the description, so definitely check it out and check out my other videos that I think you will enjoy. Until then, see you in the next one. Peace.